Oh my gosh, guys, look at this video that I just found. You good?
It is really nice. Almost sweatshirt.
Ashley, you doing good over there?
I gotta go with me.
But you're here.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Do you want to go check on her?
You good?
Can I have some?
Sure.
Ooh, that's a good one. I want that one right there. You good?
You just don't understand. I've talked to Sammy so many times about watching Naruto because it's the best anime ever. Oh my gosh. It's the best anime ever. And best character development, best music. Oh, speaking of the devil. Hello?
Hey, you good?
I don't see anybody.
Hey, you good?
You good over there?
Bye, Spence. Thanks for having us over.
Oh my god, of course. Y'all have a good night.
Thanks, you as well.
Alright, let's get out of here. You good?
The hell?